The Shelby County Sheriff's Office recently hosted its first Public Safety Expo at the Agricenter's Theater Room, bringing together deputies, community members, and local partners for an evening of engagement, education, and safety awareness. Organized by Lieutenant Keaton, the event offered residents a chance to connect directly with law enforcement, explore the latest public safety technology, and learn more about the services available throughout Shelby County. Let's hear what Lieutenant Keaton had to say.
So budgetary constraints are always a problem for law enforcement, and one of the things that we decided we could try to do is educate the HOAs and the communities on what items are out there that help us do our job, in the hopes that they will make that investment to help us make their communities that much safer. I've had a lot of help along the way. We had some HOA management companies that got on board with us very early on and ensured that this would be pushed out to their HOAs. We've had obviously plenty of vendors and officers step up to showcase what they do. I just want to see everybody come together and help make Shelby County a better place.
Attendees enjoyed interactive demonstrations and educational workshops from Flock Safety, SkyCop, and TCI, covering everything from home protection tips to crisis intervention resources. Here's what local HOA President Sonia Redding had to say.
We just had cameras installed, so we're worried about, security and safety within the community. We have a 60-unit condo unit downtown, but I personally, 2 months ago, my vehicle was taken apart and vandalized. So it was a couple reasons to come here today and get some information, and made some great contacts and just sort of see if that's something we can add in our community.
The expo also highlighted career and volunteer opportunities within the Sheriff's Office. With recruitment staff on site to answer questions, this event reflected the department's continued commitment to building trust, fostering transparency, and working hand in hand with the community to promote a safer Shelby County. On behalf of Sheriff Floyd Bonner Jr. and the Shelby County Sheriff's Office, thank you for joining us at the Public Safety Expo. We're proud to work alongside our community to build a safer, stronger Shelby County.